how we could check those rules?
Here only, madam. This one. This is a rule. Woman Jodi. Is woman Jodi? Sorry, is Jodi woman? Then you, if
Where-
you run, then it is showing true. This is the output.
That is our query and its output. No?
Yeah, yeah. It is prologue. If you give this way, because this is also constant. So what question you are asking to prologue? Is Jodi woman? So it will give true or false. In some in Ubuntu and all, it will give yes and no. But in
Yeah.
SWI prologue, whatever GUI we have taken, it
Mhm.
gives true and false.
Okay.
Yeah.
And my question exactly, this
Yes.
the statement we copied to chat box that plain
Query.
name jar.
Yeah, you want
Yeah.
query, na madam. Now this whatever I have pasted, that is a PL file. Dot, that is fact
Okay.
and rule. But I have not
Okay.
pasted the query. Query I will
Okay.
just give you. Any query you can write like plays air guitar Mia. So
Okay.
you
Okay.
can, yeah, just this is like a query. So you just write down this one. Or maybe you can write listen to music Mia. And instead of Mia, you just write any name and just see the output.
No.
I guess accidentally she went out of the meeting. We'll wait for a minute for her to join back.
Yeah, Anup sir. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
Sir, can you please add me in the list? I think my name is not there in the WhatsApp list, so I had not received the link today.
Oh, I'm really sorry for that. Uh,
Yes, sir. For me also, it is happened same thing. Like I have also not added in the WhatsApp group.
sir, okay, okay. Can you drop me the me mail
I have
on
already. I have
anup.punte@kgca.edu.in?
dropped you, sir. I have dropped you.
Okay, okay. I'll add. I'll add.
Yeah. Thanks,
No
sir.
issues.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anup sir?
Okay, there are some more examples. So I think so we should go ahead. Am I audible to you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Is visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Screen is
We were
visible?
waiting for you here.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. I actually left the meeting. So next, so whatever rules are there, that is also called as modus ponens. So fundamental deduction step. It is also called as fundamental deduction step. Whatever rules, because in first knowledge base, what we have seen only facts were there. Now in second knowledge base with facts, we have seen that rules are also there, and we came to some conclusion. we deduce something from facts. So it is also called as modus ponens. So it is like deduction or inference from particular thing. That is called modus ponens. Then knowledge base 3. In this knowledge base 3, so you can see here in knowledge base 2, we have only one facts on right hand side, that is in body. But in knowledge base 3, we have one one fact and one more fact. That is this comma, very important. Comma is works like a and operator in prologue. That means if I say plays air guitar Vincent, when Vincent plays air guitar, if Vincent listen to music and Vincent is happy, then only Vincent plays guitar. Okay. Then next is plays air guitar Butch, happy Butch. Can you see left side of these two, this rule and other second rule, which I have just bold. I have given bold. So plays air guitar, Butch. Okay, that means what? Butch plays air guitar if Butch is happy or if Butch listen to music. So if you divide this particular thing in two statement, but left hand side is same, then it works as a conjunction. But if you are writing comma, then it works as a and. Now this particular thing you can write as plays air guitar Butch semicolon listen to music Butch. Okay, and dot, then dot. So this particular thing and then this one, green and yellow, will give same output. These two rules are same. So here you have given semicolon. Semicolon is nothing but disjunction and comma is nothing but conjunction. So comma is and semicolon is or. So Vincent plays air guitar if he listen to music and he is happy. Okay. So knowledge base 2 and knowledge base 3. So what is the difference in between knowledge base 2 and knowledge base 3 is that here we use comma. That means we have more predicates in one rule. Here only one predicate is there. So you can tell this to student. So in one practical you can complete. You can just tell first one with fact, then with fact and rule, and then you can add conjunction and disjunction. That is knowledge base 3. Then knowledge base 4. Now whatever we have seen, whatever rules we have written, facts and rules, that is just these are just fact, and then we had given a query. Now in previous case we had written woman Mia. Okay, now if I write woman X, so that means what output it should give? It should give output as Mia, Jody, Olanda, because these three facts are having woman as a predicate. So we'll just see. So here if I write woman X, and I told whatever variable is there, that is in capital. So X should be capital, otherwise it will give me error or it will show false. So if I run this, so X equals to Mia. Okay, now how to run this later on? Next, here you can, I will just show in first browser and then I will go for SWF Prolog software. So next is X equals to Jody, X equals to Yolanda, and stop, because there is nothing now. So only 3 women are there. Okay, 3 women are there. Okay, now if you have to do it in our browse this one window. So you have to write woman and capital X. Okay, don't forget, because we are saying that it is a capital letter is used for variable. Enter. Sorry, this file is of food, so that's what. So I will just say food X, full stop. Okay, X equals to burger. Now I want second option for X, so I will just say semicolon sandwich, then semicolon pizza. Then it will come out, because only three food we have given in file. Can you see this code? Food, burger, sandwich, pizza. Now we if you want to ask what all lunch are there, then you just say lunch, and I can give anything list. So you just capital letter, but it should start with capital letter, and then list equals to sandwich. That means in my file lunch is there as a only sandwich. Okay, understood? So you just do this, because you just do this because so many programs are there, so I have to just show. If you don't mind, I will just show the programs. You will do it at your own if you permit. कुठे गेलं? मीटिंग गेली का?
Third tab, ma'am.
Yeah.
You are there in the meeting. You are there.
Yeah.
I guess this web still
So-
not clear to some participants.
That's what they are
can you
doing. I
just
think so.
show how to file. Yeah, and they're
Yeah.
doing also, and
So,
they're asking question on that. So can you just show creation of one file?
So I think so I should go for some more program, because so many programs are there, and you should take that.
Yeah.
in-
You go ahead.
So that's
go
what. So I will just go to SWI Prolog, and I will just open file. So there is one how to add the data. So XYZ, you have to just write this, add XYZ, and compile it. And then make that. Okay, and then come to, so add, I will say 2, 3, X, any letter. So it will give me add X equals to 5. Very simple. Addition is just for one line. Then factorial I will show. There is recursion also. So here factorial 0, 1. So in imperative, what we say, ki there should be the one base case. So here also one base case is there. And can you see, this is factorial clause, and in factorial clause itself we are calling factorial only. So it is called recursion. So if n is greater than 0, n1 is n minus 1. So one more variable you have taken, that is n1. n1 is n minus 1. And then you say factorial n1 comma f1. So f is n into f1. And then compile and run that. So already I have compiled, and no error was there. So you can say factorial 3, 3, F.